bringing some luxury and some class here at the garage. It's the Lexus LS600hL, and it's today's What's in the Box. Hey everyone, and welcome into the garage for today's What's in the Box. We're taking a look at the Lexus LS600hL from Fujimi models. This goes back to about 2007-ish, give or take, when this was initially released, and it was released as the Lexus 600hL, the LS600hL, and then over the course of the run, it was reissued several different times. In 2009, it was reissued as the Lexus LS460L, and then in 2012, this was reissued. This kit here with the new parts, and then in 2015 it was reissued with new parts again for that model year. So with that, let's jump into it and check it out. I will get started with the body. And getting started with the first of the parts tree, this will be the chassis suspension parts tree. Now we're going to turn our attention to the interior parts tree, and we'll start with the interior bucket, which you'll note Fujimi did not mold the seat bottoms to the floor of the interior bucket, so that's a good step in the right direction. But if you notice, the seat attachment points are very too far forward. Essentially, you're going to have basically no legs to sit in the front seat of this one. Obviously, if you could, if it was real, obviously it's the model, so you can't. So those seats are going to have to go back a little bit. So it'll be fun having to deal with that. And now the rest of the parts tree. Also make mention, this dashboard is not used for this kit, but this is the dashboard that is used in the 460 Lexus. The next parts tree out of this bag, which has the front seats, steering wheel, and some other interior bits and pieces. And some more suspension chassis pieces, as well as the brake rotors. Now taking a look at one of the body parts tree. This one here, which has a little bit of everything: a front and rear bumper, cowl, lower rocker panels and stuff. Now this front bumper you will not be using. This front bumper belongs to the LS460, so you will not be using this bumper. The rear bumper you will be using for this kit. Now the parts tree that contains the front bumper and the dashboard for this version that you will be using. And there is the dash. Get in the center of the frame, that would help. Let's turn our attention to the clear parts tree. Window piece unit with dual sunroofs. Actually, only one sunroof. Excuse me. A couple more clear parts trees to take a look at. One will be one that's molded in transparent red, and the one that is clear. So up here on the transparent red one, the only stuff you're going to be using for this kit, the 600, will be the third mounted tail light, stop light. These lenses are not used. These clear lenses for the tail lights, backup lenses, and whatnot are the ones that are used for the 600. Now we'll take a look at the chrome parts trees. You can see there are two of them. First one right here. This one has the headlight and tail light buckets, a grill that you will not be using for the 600 for this kit, or These two pieces here are not used, and this middle section here is not used, but everything else is. And onto the chrome parts tree where you will be using parts. This is the grill for this kit. Now take a look at the wheels and tires. The tires are set of Pirelli P0 tires, along with the wheels. Now we're going to turn attention to the window mask and the decal sheet. First, the window mask. You can see you have all the window mask needed, but they are not pre-cut, Fujimi style. You can do that yourself. And the decal sheet. That is going to about do it for the list look at the 2010 Lexus LS600hL from Fujimi models. And of course, if you want to get yourself some Lexus color matched paint for this one, I'm pretty sure you know where to go. James and Scalefinishes can probably get you hooked up with some Lexus color matched paint. That's how you want to roll with this one. So on that note, guys, thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.